So my other gold strategy started out quite consistent with 5% months. And I remember doing these Q&As on them and talking about that. Hey, it's like literally 5%, literally every month. And then when the market becomes quite uncertain on the 4-hour time frame, where the EMAs aren't all perfectly in line, maybe we've got a crossover, maybe we're in a flat market for a few weeks. Obviously, 4-hour is quite a high time frame for that to settle down. Then we've had these low months here, okay? But obviously, we've been trending up the last, well, quite a while, but here we're seeing that move. But to be fair, we've been trending up most of the time since October anyway. It's just the odd time where there's maybe been a pullback and some of the EMAs have started to cross. But again, you know, so what's my preference? Well, my preference is always going to be these two accounts and some of the other stuff I'll get to in a minute, because, hey, if I'm trading prop firms, these are ideal, either individually or combined and reduce risk, or added into other portfolios and strategies as well. These are running on the copy trade account, but I could also run them on live capital and increase the lot size, because these are only running at, I think, 0.4 now, maybe 0.4. So if I ran that on 4 lots, that's a 413% gain, with maybe 100% drawdown based on the initial balance, but that would have adjusted in line with the account growing. So I'll show you the MyFX book on this. That's not the one. This is the one. So yeah, in terms of using RSI for trend trading, this is RSI, but reverse true. So instead of looking for overbought and oversold conditions, we're looking to trade alongside that strength in the market. And yeah, that's how this account's running. This is the account. So we've had, and again, look at this. So yeah, 11% max, but they're 1, 2, maybe 3 periods in time over a 14-month period. We're always going to get them. You can't avoid them, but you can't also bin every strategy off as soon as you get something like that. It's the reality of you know, trading. It's an unrealized drawdown. The sequences are maxed at 20. I've never increased that. I've had 20 these 4 times in 14 months. I'm comfortable with playing the probability on that. And if you look at the consistency here, you know, if I had drawdown at one period, you could hold it and bulk copy over, whatever, yeah, and you would have recovered pretty much the next day anyway. But yeah, that on $1 million in prop capital is 400K in 12 months.